In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful, respected brothers and sisters, today our topic is Akhlaq, good manners and noble character. Akhlaq is one of the most beautiful qualities that a person can possess. A person's true beauty is not in his appearance, wealth, or status, but in his good behavior, kindness, and respect for others. A person with good character speaks gently, treats people fairly, helps those in need, and forgives the mistakes of others. Good manners create love among people and bring peace to society. A person who has good akhlaq earns respect not only from people, but also receives the pleasure and blessings of Allah. The Prophet Muhammad was the greatest example of excellent character. He was truthful, kind, humble, patient, and merciful towards everyone. He taught us that the best among people are those who have the best manners. Today, we live in a world of conflict, pride, and disrespect. Therefore, every Muslim should try to control his anger, speak kindly, respect parents, honor elders, and be honest in every matter. True akhlaq is tested in our homes, workplace, and in difficult situations. Dear brothers and sisters, let us make a promise to improve our manners every day. Let us replace hatred with love, harsh words with kindness, and selfishness with generosity. May Allah grant us the ability to follow the beautiful character of Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him.